Namaskaram. Very happy morning to Shri Nalinji and the Augusta audience here as an investor. My name is Niranjan Rao, and I'm representing the company AgriNature Innovative Products LLP. This is a startup. And just to give a brief summary, we are looking for an investment of USD 100,000 in return for a 10% equity. The current status, today we are at an ideation stage moving towards prototype, and the company is registered as an LLP in September 2021. We are incubated under Manage, Government of Telangana, and under RKVY Raftar, which is coming under the Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Association, Central Government of India. We are registered under Startup India and also recognized under DIPP certificate. The current traction, today we have an expression of interest coming from Singapore-based company. We have support letter coming from Malaysia, and also support which is coming from Center of Excellence Department of Horticulture, Telangana Department, and also from Urban Biodiversity, GHMC, Telangana. So focus area is into AI and IoT enabled plant dispensing mechanism, which is fully automated. And it's a patentable technology, state of the art system for the agri sapling and agri allied products dispensing mechanism and distribution especially. Our USP is our patentable technology, Prakriti Mitra, which offers conveniences and intelligence to the agripreneurs as well as to the agri-horticulture plant saplings procurers. These could be the government agencies, corporates, or even individuals. So the products and services we are having is a Prakriti Mitra as automated vending machine units, which are physical units, Prakriti Mitra mobile apps, and Prakriti Mitra e-commerce applications. Of course, there will be Prakriti Mitra branded agri-horticultural allied products, and a constant evolution, because this space requires that kind of a constant evolution of new products in this particular space. So the problems we are looking at is, and then catering to, is that currently people want to grow the agri-horticultural saplings. It could be like flowering plants, vegetable, ornamental, spiritual, or exotic plants, rest of the other things. But they find it difficult to procure such kind of things and do not know how to take care of them. So the issue is also of the continuous supply, plant saplings, identifying the disease and then maintenance. And then the small scale and agripreneurs or the new agripreneurs, including the home gardeners, they find it difficult to, and tiresome, both difficult and tiresome, to procure the desired saplings. So presently even the distribution system is not organized, and getting the supplies timely is one of the challenges. Why now? Because there is a rising adoption among the generations, especially even the young generations, including all the home and garden lovers, the buy and maintaining due to the social media activities which are happening very actively nowadays. And more youngsters are inclined towards buying these saplings, which is happening. Of course, even the COVID tough times is also playing a vital role in this, where people want to grow their own saplings, organic, within their homes, especially for even like kitchen gardens or vegetables or fruits or flowers. They want to do it themselves. So the timing is right. The solution we are offering is fully AI and IoT enabled interactive automatic vending machine. It's a 24/7 availability of the plant saplings and related products, where the customers can pick up the saplings from immediately their vicinity from the Prakriti Mitra dispensing units. Also, the end users will learn and understand how to maintain and find solutions for their plant sapling problems, because we are also giving them applications which is mobile based and also e-commerce platform. We are creating new business opportunities for the in this space. Our unique offerings, this particular Prakriti Mitra can be is branded as Prakriti Mitra, and it can be placed in various locations. This could be in commercial, residential, corporate offices, industrial zones, domestic and international. So the basic features is it's a smart dispenser of the plant saplings and organic materials, powered with a backup of solar and battery, easy scalable domestic as well as international, sensor based and cloud based platforms. So our way ahead is we are moving from this particular stage, and we would like to install the prototypes in India, 2 units, Singapore, Malaysia, Dubai, and we plan to put it in US and Australia. The scale of operations could be in 5 global regions and 30 countries. That's the way forward, what we are looking at. The investment spend, investment ask is 100,000, like what I've suggested, for an equity of 10%, which will be spent into the development of the prototype, R&D, and manufacturing, plus the development of the applications which are needed, business development, and of course, the other copyrights, global copyrights, and patenting. So the market size, when we are looking at it, is roughly around 1,500 million US, and it's going to grow towards becoming about 1,900 US in terms of the global nursery plants. In fact, recently we have made a agreement with one institute called as which is called as what is it, Kakinada Institute of Technology, which is close to the nursery of Kadiyam. So how do we earn the revenues? We are earning revenues through 3 streams. One is through sales, rentals, and lease of the Prakriti Mitra physical units, sales of saplings and allied products, and the third one is digital ad revenues, both domestic and international. So how are we standing out from the rest of the market? Our product is a fully AI and IoT enabled interactive automatic vending machine. Prakriti Mitra has got a built-in system for creating the living environment for maintaining the saplings within that particular thing. It's easy to dispense. Then it's a dynamic and interactive, and it is also customizable. It provides a fully integrated end-to-end system, and it's creating new business opportunities for in this space. As far as the competition is concerned, we do not have any direct competition, but there are similar other products which are there, which is like Dentsu, and of course the other one which is for the in the pigeonhole system. So how do we sell our products? We plan to go to the market with a company.
Niranjan, I'm going to stop you there because
sure.
This will be going ahead of ourselves. You can stop screen share. Can you tell me what is the AI part of this? What is the intelligence?
When we are looking into the intelligence aspect of this, there are two aspects of this particular thing: the machine interacting with the owner of the system, and the machine interacting with the clients of the system. So when we are putting the machine, the AI part is telling us how many plants are there, what is the watering time, the nutrients which are existing, the temperature controlling parts, the humidity controlling parts, and the creating the complete environment of a living within this system. This information is going to the agripreneur who is the owner of that particular system. So he gets a constant interaction with the system. The other part is with respect to the users per se, the clients who are existing. So they will be knowing what kind of saplings that they need to purchase. They can do an advanced purchasing kind of stuff and rest of the things. So it gives a predictable and prescriptive solutions to make informed decision.
Are there any questions from the panel? Anybody has any questions for Niranjan? Any interest, you can tell me in the chat to talk further with Niranjan. Okay, I have one. I have one interest and one. One interest, one conditional interest. Okay. Great. Thank you, Niranjan.
Sure, sir.
All the best. We'll connect you to the 2 people who have shown interest in your product.
Thank you.